Hey 7 college nerds, it's Saturday. Now not only are we doing an early celebration of Hanko de Mayo this week, but we're also talking about what Nerdfighteria means to us, how we found Nerdfighteria, etc. Now to be honest, I actually don't remember the first time I saw the Vlogbrothers. It must have been around 2008, around Brotherhood 2.0 time, and I kind of watched it casually. I wasn't super into it. I didn't consider myself a nerd fighter until Paper Towns came out, and I saw it in a bookstore, and I sat in a bookstore for like 6 hours straight and just read the entire book and thought it was pretty cool and just really enjoyed it. And I was like, okay, I'm down with this. I'm down with these guys. And so then I kind of considered myself a nerd fighter and started to look into getting an interest in the community, watching the videos a little bit more steadily. And so, yeah, I became a nerd fighter around the time Paper Towns came out, which I believe was in 2009, but I'm not entirely certain. As for what Nerdfighteria means to me, it's just this really neat community that values intellectual pursuits. I love that. I love learning things through the videos, through even looking down to the comments, you'll learn something new. And not to mention the fact that really Nerdfighteria is hard to get away from. It's something, because I've moved around all my life, I've always been really kind of suspicious with communities and things like that, because inevitably I'm just going to leave, so it's not going to be permanent, so what's the deal? And, though Nerdfighteria, I doubt Nerdfighteria will last forever, it's a lot more permanent, because as long as you have an internet connection, you can find Nerdfighteria, which is a beautiful, beautiful thing. And, it's hard for it to leave you. It's always there, and I really value that. So that's about it for me today. Elizabeth, we'll see you tomorrow. DFTBA.